Well, this is skate sailing. It's actually a desperate attempt to prolong the season. It's just about spring and the ice is all crud, but it's sunny and it's windy, and so I'm going to try this one more time today and then put it away for the year probably. This sail is actually made in Germany, and it's imported by a fellow in California for rollerbladers who sail on the oceanfront bike paths. And I found it on the internet. I've been making these things out of old windsurfer sails and closet poles, and I found this, and it just seemed like the next best thing, and it's really great. It's a bit big for today's wind, but it's worth the struggle. It comes pretty much from Holland, skating on the frozen canals and the Zuider Zee. And the Swedes do it competitively, very aggressively. And but in this country, it was popular in the 20s and 30s in New York, and the suburban lakes still did this for recreation. Oh. The boots are an old pair of Nordica leather ski boots from the 60s with speed skate blades attached to the bottom. They're just fastened with regular self-tapping screws. And the long blades make it a real steady ride, and the boots kind of lock my feet in and anchor them to the ground. It's a very nice feeling. That's what it's like on good ice. Like right here, listen. You hear that? There's nothing. It's just so exquisite. Woo! Yeah. That's too fast. This is sort of like having a falcon on your forearm. Ready to. It is hard work. Oh, Lordy. Yeah, you know, the thing about this stuff is that falls tend to be usually horizontal events as opposed to vertical events. And you sort of glide into the fall rather gently. Woohoo! Well, I guess jumping is a very good idea today. Sailing here requires a whole lot more turning. There's some places you can go sail where you can just sort of pick a course and go on for a few minutes at a time. Ah. Woo. Oh. I guess that was dramatic. And there are some of these types of skate sails that use windsurfer harnesses to hook into the harness. And that's all the pulling, and the arms are just the steering, which is a good idea for large lakes where you can skate for a long time in one direction. You can do this on skis, on rollerblades, what have you. Well, you have to have ice, and that's the tough part with this sport. There's also people who just make their own. Like I said, you can make them out of blue poly tarp and closet poles and any shape you think you can get away with. The nice thing about this sail with these full battens is that the wing shape is always maintained, and the flat feet types tend to overpower easily in backwind, and they're harder to control. But yeah, just grab something and go sailing. It works. It's really fun. It's a good way to get outside in the wintertime and get some exercise, and it's free. No lift tickets. No nothing. Just come out and do it.